Have you ever been put on hold for what feels like forever? Or worse, struggled to convey your message on a critical phone call? Let's face it, phone skills can make or break professional relationships. Today, we'll dive into mastering phone communication with tips, tricks, and strategies that will set you apart in the workplace. Welcome to my channel where we make learning English practical and engaging. Today, I'll walk you through our business English guide on phone skills, a resource designed to boost your confidence and effectiveness on professional calls. Whether you're transferring calls, taking messages, or handling a difficult caller, we've got you covered. Let's start with transferring calls. Phrases like, "I'll just put you through," or "Can I put you on hold for a moment?" show respect for the caller's time. Now, when taking messages, accuracy is key. Double-check details like phone numbers, even if they seem obvious. For instance, in one example, a receptionist confirmed Maggie Chen's number despite it being in her email signature. This small step prevents miscommunication. Choosing the right tone matters. Formal situations call for phrases like, "Could you put me through to name?" while informal ones might use, "Is name around?" By matching your language to the audience, you'll communicate more effectively. Let's look at example conversations. Notice how the receptionist speaks clearly and concisely, offers solutions. "I can take a message for you," and practices active listening. "Let me confirm that number." Active listening is a game changer. Use verbal affirmations like "I see," or ask clarifying questions to show you're engaged. Summarizing the caller's main points also ensures you're on the same page. Difficult callers? We've all been there. The key is to stay calm and professional. Remember, their frustration is not personal. Techniques like using calming language and validating their feelings, "I understand why you're upset," can help de-escalate tense situations. Your voice is your instrument. A confident tone, steady pace, and strategic pauses convey professionalism. For example, compare this rushed greeting, "Hello, how can I help you?" to this calm version, "Good morning, how may I assist you today?" Strong phone skills can transform your workplace interactions. Remember, clear communication, active listening, and the right tone are your secret weapons. Apply these tips to your calls, and you'll leave a lasting impression. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment with your biggest phone challenge. Let's master business English together.